Well, hello there. It's time again. Second ever Dreamy Awards coming very soon. You know, we had a lot of really good videos last time, and I want to thank everybody for that. And we're gonna try to do something a little similar this time.
But this time we're coming even bigger and better. We're giving away so many prizes, so much good stuff. We're giving away Hales Angels. We're giving away Angel Rides, Reaper Rides, Purple Tabs, Blue Tabs, Gold Tabs. We're giving away glue. We're giving away a 3D set. Block them creases up. We're giving away the new UFOs. We're giving away Kratos. So many prizes. Gift cards. And of course, the grand prize, a Reaper Revolver. You're going to want to go to dentreaper.com/dreamy-awards and officially enter there. We're going to have videos for best repair, best tool description. We're going to have prizes for all kinds of categories. Categories I couldn't even think of. I mean, last year we had somebody get a tattoo. That wasn't one of the categories. Thank you, Gregory. But listen, we're going to have so many prizes to give out. Bring your creativity, bring the fun, do whatever you want to do. Alternate use was a huge one last year. Speaking of alternate use, I think I found a good use for these beautiful blue tabs. Yes, sir.
Do whatever you want to do. Have fun with it. Thank you so much. I wish you all good luck. Go to the website, fill out the form. We're keeping track. There's even going to be random prize winners through random.org. We got a whole website coded for it, spreadsheet, keeping track of each and every submission. You can submit each video on every platform one time. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn. All the platforms are valid. You post your video, you copy the link, you put it in the form at dentreaper.com. We'll keep track that way. Everybody's got a chance to win. And of course, we'll be judging our favorites. So whether you win randomly or you win through creativity, we wish you good luck and make sure to have fun with it. Cheers.